Well, hey there, guess what? We're gearing up for the New Year's, so I thought maybe I'd make a New Year's dish. I looked into it and I found out one very popular New Year's dish is Hoppin John, specifically in the South, and it dated from the early 1800s. People will eat Hoppin John around midnight, and it's supposed to give you a very prosperous year. So it contains black-eyed peas, and I guess black-eyed peas represents coins. And you're eating these coins and it's supposed to make you get rich the following year. We'll see if it happens. I'm gonna take this can and I'm gonna mix it with some cornbread. Cornbread represents gold. And I'm gonna create Hoppin John cakes. Start with that can of Hoppin John. 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 2 eggs, and some vegetable oil. Must add that to the grocery list. And of course some cheese. Mix that all up. Crank up that griddle. Time to make some cakes. Flip it, plate them, and of course more cheese. Serve with some salsa. You could put sour cream on there too, but I didn't have any. Hoppin John, I'm just so curious. It's like a cornbread pancake. Hoppin John, it actually has bacon fat in it, so you can taste a bacon flavor right inside of that pancake. It is really good. Hoppin John cakes. I'm ready to celebrate New Year's now. Wait a second. My wallet's starting to be a little bigger. Hoppin John, thank you. Thanks for watching Jim's Kitsch Kitchen. If you're interested in seeing more interesting meals, subscribe to my channel. There's more to see. Thank you. Happy New Year.